Welcome. In front of me I have WIKO View Go, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at the first, we have to prepare the good source of light, and when you got it, you can spot the very mess that you have on your screen. So right now we can open tempered glass, box with tempered glass, and inside we can find for sure tempered glass. We'll get here also two wipes. There's the wet and the dry, and basically that's all. Sometimes you can also get stickers to take off piece from the dust, but in this case we don't have it. So right now we have to open the wet one, and unfortunately it's not wet, it comes dry, so we have to put something like window cleaner, for example, to make it wet. Okay, and just take a look. Right now we can easily clean our display in this smartphone. You have to reach a very corner, it's very important. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Next we have to open the dry one. And just clean our display. So we can do the same, the moves in the circle. And after a few moments our display looks really nice. We can start with the installation process. So you have to take off this sticker from your tempered glass. Make it like that. Sometimes this sticker doesn't come with foil. So when it happened to you, you have to remove this foil manually. You have to put your fingernail under this foil right here. I will show you. There it is. Right now take a look on the display. Be sure that there is no any problem with dust. There is no dust on the screen, and as you can see in my case, on the right bottom edge we got the brakes in the display, so there we got the line of the air here. Let's start and put this glass on the upper section of the screen and keep holding the bottom part. Just like that. And right now just put it and take a look. We can press with our finger on one of the edge and it will go automatically. And there it is. As I said, here we got the brake on the screen. So we'll get, air right here. You can use your wipe to clean the tempered glass. And after a few moments we finish, we can use our device. So let's turn it on. And after a few moments we will be able to use our smartphone without any problem. There will be no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to worry about that. As you can see, everything works fine. But the smartphone is a little bit laggy, so you have to be patient. okay. Right now, let me show you. Everything works fine. And as I said before, there's no problem with the touch interaction. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.